Hello everyone. Our today's topic is overview of pharmacovigilance. Let us understand what pharmacovigilance is and the objectives, the aim, and everything about pharmacovigilance in detail. So, let's begin. Starting with the basic concept of pharmacovigilance. I'll Pharmacovigilance is the most widely used term in the field of medical, like doctors, pharmacists, and other fields also. So those who study medical field, they must be aware of this word. So pharmacovigilance is the detection, understanding, assessment, and prevention of the adverse drug reactions of the drug which are caused to the people. So, in short, that it looks after the drug safety so that people and the patients are not harmed severely by the drug. So, now let us understand what are the key aspects of pharmacovigilance. So, the first key aspect of pharmacovigilance is adverse event reporting. That is, collecting and analyzing the adverse drug reactions which have occurred or the side effects which has occurred by the drugs. Second is signal detection. Signal detection is understanding or identifying the potential safety issues from the data analysis. Third is risk management. It is the implementing of strategies to minimize the risk of the associated drugs. Fourth one is the regulatory compliance. It means adhering the guidelines and regulations set by the health policies for people's benefits. So now let us understand what are the activities taken over by the pharmacovigilance which it performs. The first is data collection. Like whenever if a person is suffering from any side effects of the drug or adverse effects of the drug, it is noted in the regulatory authorities. Like he or she can complain about the adverse drug reaction which he or she has faced, rather the patient has faced. So they can report, and then the report is being studied through ICSR, individual case study report, we call it as. So it is being studied. Then next is data analyzing. So after taking the data, that is the drug, what was it, the duration for how much it was taken, the person's age, gender, then what if he has eaten anything or previous drugs were going on for the drug interaction cause, for the drug food interaction cause, then the expiry of the drug, the duration, the time, the dosage, by which route he was taking it, everything is being collected. This is known as data collection. Then it is being analyzed, what exactly the reaction might have happened to cause the adverse drug reaction to the patient. It is being analyzed by the data analysts. Then the risk assessment is being taken, like to evaluate the significance of safety concerns of the patient. Like if it is severe, it is taken at an, taken firstly, the preference is given firstly. So this is how data is collected, it is studied, it is analyzed, and then an opinion is, final decision or opinion is taken for the same reaction. Now let us understand the benefits of pharmacovigilance. So basically, till now you must have known that pharmacovigilance is such a necessary thing to avoid the adverse drug reaction and to save people's and patients' life, cause it's a thing of living and death. So yes, we must take care about the that patient gets the good therapeutic efficacy drugs so that he cures soon. But there should not be any drug reactions or adverse reaction on his body. So let's see what are the benefits of pharmacovigilance. So the first benefit of pharmacovigilance is to improve patient safety. Improve patient safety in the sense, yeah, there must be no any adverse drug reaction. The patient must be safe at any cost, taking any medicines of any dose. If when even patients should cooperate with the doctors or the physicians what dose they have recommended and follow the same for safer use, for the safer side. Second is enhanced drug efficacy. Enhanced drug efficacy is to to increase the efficacy, to increase the therapeutic effect of the drug is enhancing the drug efficacy. Then next is reduced healthcare cost. That is, whatever the people take the treatment for any disease they are suffering from, there are lots of costs like the it is an expense. If it is an expensive treatment, the government or the healthcare regulatory bodies try to reduce the cost of the same for the poor people, those who can't afford such costly medications as well as the treatment. Then is increased public trust, like in taking reports of the cases. So the people increase, so the trust of medical field people are being increased in people minds, so that they follow good and proper guidelines given by the medical authorities. Then it is supports informed decision making by healthcare professional and patients. So these were the some benefits of pharmacovigilance. uh, The stakeholders of pharmacovigilance are the healthcare professional, patients, pharmaceutical industries, regulatory authorities, and academic institutions. So this was an pharmacovigilance overview. So yes, this is all about it. So thank you.